The HVAC industry is becoming more technical, and customers are hearing unfamiliar terms about heat pumps, refrigerants, energy efficiency, and new equipment. Naturally, they have questions. What type of system do I need? Can my current unit still be repaired? Does this company service my equipment? And how quickly can I reach someone? If your website doesn't provide clear answers, customers may continue searching for a company that does. This isn't just a marketing trend. The United States Bureau of Labor Statistics projects HVAC technician employment to grow 8% from 2024 to 2034, faster than the average for all occupations. It also expects about 40,100 job openings each year during that period. One reason is that climate control systems are becoming more advanced. Existing systems also need regular maintenance, repairs, upgrades, and replacement. Home heating is changing too. According to the United States Energy Information Administration, electricity was the main heating fuel for 42% of American households in 2024. Improvements in heat pump technology have contributed to that shift. This means HVAC companies aren't simply selling repairs. They're helping customers understand more equipment and more options. Your technicians cannot personally answer every question before a customer calls, but your website can provide the basic facts at any time. A useful HVAC website should clearly explain the systems you install and repair, the locations you serve, your regular and emergency service hours, your licenses, certifications, and experience, how customers can request service or an estimate. It can also answer common questions about maintenance, heat pumps, energy efficiency, and equipment replacement. Accuracy matters here. For example, current federal refrigerant rules allow existing systems to be maintained and repaired throughout their useful life. Customers do not automatically need a complete replacement, simply because their current equipment uses an older refrigerant. Clear information like this can help prevent confusion before the first phone call. A professional website shouldn't only look attractive. It should work properly on phones, display your phone number clearly, load your service information quickly, and make requesting help simple. It should also be easy to update. When regulations, equipment, service areas, or business hours change, outdated information can mislead customers. Your website should reflect what your company actually offers today, not what it offered several years ago. The HVAC industry is growing, equipment is changing, and customers need reliable information. A professional website gives your business one place to explain its services clearly, show its qualifications, and help customers take the next step. Is your website answering their questions or creating more of them? Visit engageyourbiz.com to build a professional website for your HVAC business.